A very good morning to dear students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 11, light, sound and force. Light. Can you see anything if light goes out all of a sudden? Can you read a book in a dark room? We need light to see things or read books. The sun is our main source of light and heat. The stars and fireflies also emit light. All objects are grouped into luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects that give out light are called luminous objects. They can be natural or man-made. The sun, star, fireflies, etc. emit their own light. So these are called natural luminous objects. Now at night we use many objects to light our houses, streets and neighborhood. For example, bulb, candles, torch, headlights and motor vehicles, etc. These are called man-made luminous objects. Now non-luminous objects which don't emit light means objects that do not emit light of their own are called non-luminous objects. Table, book, glass and pencil are examples of non-luminous objects. Now shadow. Stand in the open ground under the sun. Now look at the ground. What do you see? You can see your dark image on the ground. This is called shadow. A shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of light. Light travels in a straight line. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of light. Light does not require any medium to travel. The size of a shadow may be short or long depending on the position of the light source. Now you can see the position of the sources. In the morning and evening, when the sun is at the horizon, the shadow is long. At noon, when the sun is overhead, the shadow is short. Solar and lunar eclipses. You know the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Through the day, you see the sun moving slowly from the east to the west. Our earth goes around the sun on a fixed path. It also spins on its own axis. When the sun's light falls on the part of the earth, it is day. The moon goes around the earth on a fixed path too. It also spins on its own axis. The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. When the moon comes between the sun and the earth, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. Then we cannot see the sun partially or completely. This is called solar eclipse. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Then we cannot see the moon partially or completely. This is called lunar eclipse. Thank you.